Sorry, I had to take out my retainers really quick. Oh, this is my case. I ordered like a set of retainer cases on Amazon. It was like super cheap. It was like $5 or something like that for 5 cases. And I'm using the black one right now, and I have 2 of the stickers I made. But hi, thank you for being here. Today we're doing a little like day in the life vlog type deal. It's gonna be kind of like a studio vlog. Like I am doing some stuff for work, but I'm also doing like stuff for my personal life too, so homework, and I think we're probably gonna mow the yard. But yeah, so we're just starting off by packing some orders right now. I don't have a monster with me. I just brushed my teeth, so yeah. Maybe I should have done the monster first and then well, I don't know. I have about six orders to pack right now. Hi Diesel. Hi baby. Thank you so much to everybody who ordered from my shop this past weekend. I had like 10-ish orders. I tried to list things that I knew would sell super quick because I was trying to raise money like ASAP to be able to get Noodles his surgery super quick, because if you've never had a dog that's like broken a bone, the bone starts healing like pretty quick. And when I say healing, I just mean that the cells like around the bone kind of start solidifying again, if that makes sense. And sometimes it'll solidify wrong if it's not corrected. And because this was an elbow fracture and not like a leg break or like a knee sort of thing, like they really couldn't put a cast on it. Like, yeah, I was just, everything's been so hectic, and I'm really grateful that I had a lot of orders. It was really sad letting go of some of that stuff, like really sad. Oh, I sold my favorite shirt, the first one that I got. Even though I was able to get a second one, like selling that first one was like, I sold my Sugar Bunnies bag too. I'm glad that I'm sending it to somebody who can use it more than I do, because I don't really wear a lot of pink. And then I also sold my Pierceville tote bag because I have a lot of tote bags. And even though, again, sentimental value, Noodles is more important to me. And I think the one that hurts the most is the Punks and Kisses Vicious chain. It was like a little brass knuckles necklace with a bow. And I think that bow made the necklace really unique. I just hadn't had a chance to style it because it is like, it's a huge necklace. I was able to, with this money, get Noodles a smaller crate because he didn't have like a smaller crate. And after surgery, they're supposed to be in like a crate that's basically perfectly their size, enough for them to, you know, get up and turn around without like jumping around. Normally I put him in Diesel's crate, but he definitely likes to jump around in Diesel's crate, so this one's more appropriate for his recovery period. I think it's like 2 months of recovery. Pretty crazy. Sometimes after selling something that was really hard to let go of, I'll kind of just like go through my listings and make sure there's nothing that I would feel so sad to lose that as well right now. And so for me, that was this shirt. I had this shirt listed as well, but after selling my Punks chain, like Punks and Kisses is super hard to find. So yeah, I lost one highly coveted Punks piece, and I was like, I can't do another right now. So I just marked this shirt as sold. Hold up. I was gonna show you what sold today, but everything's kind of a mess right now. So I sold a couple baby doll tops, which are always hard to let go because I love baby doll tops, but I just reach for some of them more than others. And this is one I used to wear a lot. I think I wore it in like a fishing video on YouTube. I think my only fishing video. I have it in my bio that I love fishing, but it's kind of hard to record a fishing vlog just because it's kind of a boring thing to watch secondhand, you know, unless you're like catching monsters and stuff. But like chances are if I go to film a fishing vlog, I won't catch anything that day. So anyways, yeah, I sold this one. It's a Brandy Tiffany tank, and it's beautiful. It's actually beautiful. Whenever I saw that it sold and I was taking it out of my closet, I was like, and I tried it on one last time, and it was really sad, like, to know I'm letting this go. But I just don't reach for cream right now, and it has like little embroidered flowers, and I'm just not really into like embroidery like that right now. So, and then I sold this Japanese baby doll. This is a repop. I got this on Depop a while ago, and I just kind of stopped reaching for it. I feel like it didn't quite fit me the way I wanted it to. It kind of made me look more boxy. And then I sold a little scarf little scarf. It's by New York and Company. Then I sold these shorts. They are like vintage faded glories. Cute. And then last but not least, I sold a bundle of a phone charm and a sticker. They bought my Marceline sticker. Super cute. I love the sticker. I sold this shirt, guys. I know. It was my second favorite shirt, but at the time I was selling to save for a concert, but I ended up having to use our normal savings as well as all my concert savings for Noodles, but he was way more important, so that's totally fine with me. So I finished packing all my orders. I was trying to figure out like what bag do I wear with this outfit, but like obviously wear the domo bag with the emo outfit, like the red and the red goes together. That's so cute. Oh yeah, something new since the last time I filmed a studio vlog is that I became a Depop top seller, which is kind of crazy to me. It was on my goals for the year, and here we are. So yeah, besides the blue check mark, I think the biggest perk is the payouts are faster. So instead of waiting 2 days after the package is marked delivered, sometimes honestly the money comes next day during the week. Like that's crazy. I mean, Depop used to be like that though. It used to be, you know, you get the money like 2 days after somebody purchased. It kind of like saves their butt a little bit to prolong the payout process so they can make sure that like the items getting shipped and stuff like that. But like when you're a top Depop seller, they know they ship their items, whatever. Like you have to have good reviews, ship your items within 5 days, make a certain amount of money, and make a certain amount of money or sell a certain amount of items for like an average price within like a 4-month time frame. Now it's time to go to the post office. Here's Noodle baby in his little baby blue crate. They only had baby blue for like the small crates. He's really drowsy right now. He had a lot of meds this morning. Hi baby. Hi. This is the little pillow pet. I got him this at the bins a long time ago in one of my thrift with me vlogs, and he loves this little pillow pet. So cute. Dogs need pillows, like for real. Diesel loves pillows too, so this one's noodle sized. And honestly, I'm finding that he really likes his cone. Like every time I take it off to let him get water and stuff like that, and I put it back on, like he's just like, yes, I feel so cozy in my cone. I think it makes him feel safe. Like he's the type of dog that if I leave the crate open, he'll just come and sit in here for fun. He feels safe. I understand as a fellow small person. And I also had to get him one of these like little crate bowls because his other bowls were too big for this. And so there's this little food tray. He kind of made a mess. I swear I like organized all of this. Like I folded the blanket very neat and put the pillow pet, and he just kind of scrambled it all. I got him a bed that goes in here as well, but he vomited on it yesterday. So so the blanket this blanket's so cute. It's like one of those like $2 Walmart fleece ones, and this one has dogs on it. So I thought it was cute and it kind of matches. I love you. Yeah, I do. I love Noodles. I stopped by Bush's to get Wyatt sweet tea. He mentioned this morning as he was leaving for work that he was craving sweet tea, and I was like, Wyatt's the best. So I was like, I'll get him sweet tea. I don't know if he was like trying to like hint that he wanted me to get him sweet tea, but got him a gallon of sweet tea. I really don't like sugar personally, but when I met Wyatt, he was like, I mean, you can tell by the name, right? Like, he wore cowboy boots and he has a little Ford cap, and he drank his little sweet tea. So now I like sweet tea just because it reminds me of him. So it's not something I would ever pick out on my own. So I like picking up a couple rolls for myself, and mashed potatoes. I feel like Jake Weber, like filming in the car and eating. Except I think Jake, I mean, when he has his like camera propped up, I just have you on like the little GPS stand thing. But the steering wheel, like, can I see over the steering wheel? No. I can't see the hood of my car. Do you prefer white gravy or brown gravy? I'm so neutral. I love both. It really depends on the mood for me. And maybe for you too. I worked at Church's Chicken for like 3 years. It was my first job. I loved the food there. Like, I loved the food so I was overworked, like to the bone. Like, they rarely gave me days off. So I would eat like the biscuits in the back, mashed potatoes, chicken, spicy tenders. So good all day. I'd just be snacking on Church's. Fast food workers really deserve their flowers. Like, it's hard. Hi, Stingy baby. Get some more. I like for the lights to go like a little above my shoulder, so I literally walk into the wall, place the thumbtacks, and adjust accordingly. Is it kind of cringe for me to film myself mowing the lawn? Probably. It's also very windy. Whatever. I'm all sweaty now. Lawn is done. I try to help out Wyatt sometimes. Work has been kicking Wyatt's butt lately, so we try to help each other out. You know, like if he sees I'm sick or I'm swamped with like school and stuff like that, then sometimes he sees the dishes are getting kind of high. He'll go ahead and help me out, and vice versa. I can tell like he hasn't really had much free time. Also, because Noodles is like he has a hard time hopping in the taller grass. Because he's still limping for now. Hopefully that goes away soon. So I thought I would cut the lawn to help out Wyatt and Noodles. So yes, very tired. Need water. Guys, I am so pooped. My bangs are like, they went back to wavy form. I have to straighten my bangs every morning. So I took lots of photos, so many photos. It's like 11 p.m. So I'm just moving sold items down and then rearranging everything. Okay, that took a very long 6 minutes according to my video, but I still need to go back and refresh all the listings, but I'll probably do that. Noodle is growling. I'll probably refresh all my listings while I lay in bed before I go to bed. Because I'm pooped. I'm actually pooped. Like, I thought I was going to get to do homework and stuff, but everything else just took too much time. So I still want to, like, shower and... Yes? I still want to shower and then take Noodles out because he keeps growling at me. I look like a wet dog. I'm going to, like I said, update my listings, and I'm also going to paint my nails while I do that. My mom gifted me these for Christmas. We are huge Selena fans, and so they're like nail decals. They're pretty cool. I'm excited to use them. I also quickly wanted to say, I know I've said it a billion times already, but thank you again to everybody who helped me out in trying to get Noodle's surgery. I spent so many days like emailing and calling vets all day just trying to find somebody. I don't like this glare. I'll see you next time. Bro fist.